chain. So I'm gonna pick is a good beads, like a smaller beads. It's compared, if you're looking at, if you compare to the liquid and powder powder acrylic beads, so this is smaller beads. But however, you are going to adjusting according to the length of the nail, just in case you are doing like this one. I'm doing a whole nail of a diamond dust pixie. You can do it half of the nails as well. Maybe we should do half of the nails. Okay, you see how I spread the bristle? And then a no wipe top coat. You can also do half of the nails or angle the nails however you want. Floating the no wipe top coat right on the top of the condensed glue gels. That is not only it's finished and completed, it also will prevent from tacky layers. And okay, what color should we do? Should we do this tiny one right in the middle? Okay. Centerpiece. My centerpiece of this design is the cute little flowers. And then adding it on like the filler around. I like it a lot. Let me see. And keep in mind, you can definitely, instead of doing right in the centerpieces, I am walking you through the basics, easy way to do, and then later you can do it like different design. It doesn't have to be just right in the middle of the nails. Okay, so I want to move this one on the side and get the tray. Make sure you get a tray to catching all of the excess diamond dust pixie. I'm gonna adjust. Oh, this blue is really pretty. Even like you can leave it alone like this, okay, and you'll be good to go. All right. It's like making a diamond dust pixie ombre, you know.
I think you can like just sprinkle it up to make a French tip too.
Yeah, you can do
like that.
You can do however you want.
Just
like this.
You never have to feel out the whole nail. Just however you like.
Look at that, it's cool.
You can leave it like that.
I can leave it like this. You do however you want, however you feel like it looks so freaking cool.
Yeah, stop right there.
Stop right here. You can stop right here, okay? If you're in here if you want to.
Yeah, I remember when we do the no white top coat, floating over. With that, now you can cure and none of the extra space gonna be sticky.
It's not at all. It's gonna be completely when you're done. All right, I'm gonna pat it in to make sure they stay on really nice and compact. It's kind of cool though. Like you leave your centerpieces, the piece of your crystal designs, leave it alone as it is. Okay. Okay, Jeffer. Is it Jeffer? Zephyr. All right, here for 60 seconds.